Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable Storage Sense in Windows 10. So if you would like to do it, first we need to click right mouse button on Start icon, and then we need to go to Settings. Here we need to go to System, Display, Sound, Notifications and Power, and then we need to go to the left panel, and here we have something like Storage. We need to select this one option, and here you have Storage Sense settings. We need to turn on this option, and I recommend you to go to Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Here I recommend you to set Run Storage Sense during low free disk space. It is in my opinion the best option here. But if you are talking about temporary files, I recommend you to select this one option, delete temporary files that my apps aren't using, and I recommend you to delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over, you can select here 40 or 60 days, everything depends on your preferences. And here is a very important option, I recommend you to delete files in my downloads folder if they haven't been opened for more than never. I select here never. Of course, you can always clean now your disk by using this one button, but remember that on this process all these settings will be used, so be aware of it. It's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to support me and check links in description.